Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE5 Limited with 10,560 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Zumo GPS and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, an electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, navigation, an electronic windshield, and onboard computer. The SPYDER is a dynamic trike that offers creature comforts and exciting speed on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 998cc Rotax engine, it puts 100 horsepower and 80 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It weighs in at 929 pounds and has a 30.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.